Okay guys, today I'm going to show you a free software that you can use for affiliate marketing, and it is not ChatGPT. And you can use this software to promote your affiliate products on Twitter. And I'm going to show you how to get Twitter followers and also how to set up this software so it will do everything automatically, so you don't have to do this manually, and you will set it up once and that's it. It will run forever, okay? So first thing you need to do, you need to make your Twitter profile. So you need to, after you make your Twitter profile, you need to set up everything. You need to add your cover image, you need to add your profile image, and it has to be eye-catchy, as you can see here. You have to give it a good name, a catchy name, and you need to add a short description. And after that, you need to start getting followers. Now, how do you get followers? Well, there are actually three ways to do this. First way is to start sharing viral content. Now, second way is follow for follow. So simply what you need to do is, here in search bar, you simply need to search, in this case, affiliate marketing. And then here you can see top, but we actually need latest because we wish to follow only people who are active, okay? And also here you can see I can follow this person here, this girl here. Just click here on follow and I will follow her. Also, I can follow this girl as well because all of these people are targeted because they are all interested in affiliate marketing. And also what you can do is you can follow people who comment on their posts and also people who like their posts. So for that, you can simply go here on top and then here you can click on one of these posts. For example, this one here. And then here I can follow these people here who actually commented here. And why that is important? Because these people, not just that they are active, but they're also engaging with the content. And the more engaging people you have, the more you will followers get, more people you will have a better reach, and you will have a better organic reach. Third way is to actually start sharing Twitter threads. Twitter threads work really, really well. So you can search Twitter threads. And then here you can see this is a thread. Here you can see this is a sign for thread. Now here you can see these people are all sharing threads and their threads are getting lots of engagement. Here you can see this guy here, he actually shared a thread and he has only 8,000 followers, but he reached 45,000 people, 135 comments, 336 likes, 53 retweets, and all of these guys are getting lots of engagement and they are getting lots of organic reach, okay? And that is exactly what you need to do. When you click here you can see this is the main post, and here you can see this is a thread and people are engaging with thread. And like I said, this is by far currently best option to get followers on Twitter. And when you get at least 500 followers, you need to start getting traffic to you need to start promoting your affiliate product. And that is where we are actually going to use our software, our free software. And that software is actually PhantomBuster. Here you can see when you click on pricing, here you can see you can only have a paid options. You don't have free option, but actually you do have a free option. Just click here on start a free trial, register with your email and password, and that's it. For 14 days, you will have full access. After that 14 days, you will have only one slot available, but it will be free forever, okay? And after that, you will come to your dashboard. Here you can see I have only one slot available on my free account. I have another paid account on PhantomBuster. So what we need to do, we need to click here on solutions, okay? And then here, I need to click here on Twitter because I need Twitter. And here you can see Twitter follower collector, message sender, auto follow, auto liker, auto poster, auto retweet, and here you can see Twitter auto unfollow. That is very useful when you actually go follow for follow. Then this option here, Twitter auto follow, is actually really, really useful because you don't have to do that manually. PhantomBuster will do that automatically. But what we need, we actually need this option here, Twitter message sender, okay? Because we wish to send message to all of our followers, okay? Here you can see I have 763 followers and I wish to send a message automatically. I don't want to do that manually. It takes too much time, too much work. With PhantomBuster, I can do that automatically. So just click here on use this Phantom, okay? And then here you can see you need to add a link to your Twitter profile. So I will simply copy this link here, go back here on PhantomBuster, click here, paste it here, click here on save, okay? Now here you can see connect to Twitter. Now you will have to install Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox extension, okay? PhantomBuster extension. If you don't do that, then it won't work. And also you have to be logged into your Twitter account. As you can see, I'm currently logged into my Twitter account. And when I click here, connect to Twitter, it will automatically connect to Twitter. And then click here on save, and that's it. Now here you can see number of lines. Leave it on 10, okay? You can't do more than 10, but leave it at 10. And here you can add your message. And here you can see some tags, okay? So I can say something like this, hi, and then I can click here on name. So it will automatically add the name of that follower who actually received my message here on Twitter, okay? And then here I can add the rest of my message. Here you can see some advanced settings and results. You don't really need to do anything here. And then just click here on save, okay? And then here you can see repeatedly once advanced after another Phantom. I actually send it only once. I don't want to spam people, but you can use this here, these other options. Like I said, I use only once, okay? Here you can see launch manually, or I actually choose here launch at a specific time. So when I click here, I can choose one of these dates, for example, October 31st, and let's say, for example, 8 p.m. So now when I click here on save, it will actually send this message at 8 p.m. on October 31st. Click here on launch, and it will start sending this message on October 31st at 8 p.m. to my Twitter followers totally automatically. I don't have to do this manually. And like I said, this is a really good option. You can use it, and the more Twitter followers you have, the more messages you will be able to send automatically, and more people will see your product. If you have a good product, trust me guys, you will make a lots of money. With PhantomBuster, you only need to concentrate on getting followers on Twitter. PhantomBuster will automatically send your messages to those people, to your followers. And like I said, those people, if you have a good product, you will start making sales, you will start making money with affiliate marketing in 2025. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side, you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.